Hi everybody, my name is Fazal and today's topic is sentence analysis. What is sentence analysis? The simple definition of the phrase is to determine what function each unit has in the sentence. And there are three types of sentence analysis. First one is analysis of simple sentence. Analysis of simple sentence. It's clear by the name of the type of analysis, because analyzing simple sentence is a bit easy. And let's look at the example to analyze the sentence. For example, the polar bear lives in the Arctic regions. First of all, we should identify the complete subject and complete predicate. The main subject is bear and the main predicate is lives. Predicate, subject. And the subject is modified by two words, modifiers, article the and the adjective polar. They are modifiers. And predicate is also has its own modifiers. The modifiers is in regions. Phrase in regions. In regions, in it's a preposition and regions is a noun. And you know, noun is often is modified by adjective or pronoun or article or something like that. And regions is modified by the phrase the, article the, and the word adjective the Arctic. They are the modifiers of the region. That's the basic and simple analysis of the simple. Second one is analysis of compound sentences. Analysis of compound sentence. Let's look at the example to identify, to analyze the compound sentence. The polar bear lives in the Arctic regions. But it sometimes reaches temperate latitudes. It's a bit difficult. It's a bit more difficult than the simple sentence analysis, because the compound sentence, compound sentence is a combining of two independent simple sentences. Each part has its own predicate and subject. The complete subject is the polar bear, and the complete predicate is lives in the Arctic regions, and in the second part it is the subject and sometimes, and the complete predicate is the reach temperate latitudes. And you know the first part of the sentence, the analysis of the simple sentence. Beer is subject and lives is what? Predicate, and they are modifiers of subject and they are modifiers of what? Predicate. And we can form compound sentence with the help of what? Conjunctions. Femboys. Femboys stands for and, neither, and but, or, yet, and so. They are the main things of the what? Compound sentence. And it is a subject. It is a subject, and the reach is a predicate, main predicate, and sometimes is a modifier. What? Modifier of predicate. Sometimes is a modifier of predicate. And temperate latitudes is what? Complement. Complement. Latitude is a noun, and temperate is a modifier of the main complement. Temperate is an adjective, and sometimes is a adverb, and you know, as I before mentioned, it's the modifier of adverbial modifier. And next one is analysis of complex sentence. Third type is analysis of complex sentence. Maybe it's difficult one, because complex sentence, to understand and to analyze complex sentence is a bit difficult. Let's look at the example to analyze the complex sentence. The polar bear which lives in the Arctic regions sometimes reaches temperate latitudes. Yes, all the examples is related to polar bear. I like the polar bear. Yes, it's extinct animal. And first of all, we should identify the coordinate and subordinate part of the complex sentence. The polar bear sometimes reaches temperate latitudes is a coordinate part of complex sentence, but which lives in the Arctic regions is a subordinate part of the complex sentence. The polar bear is a complete subject, and bear is a subject, and the polar, you know, it's modifier, and sometimes is a modifier, adverbial modifier of the main predicate, reach, and latitudes is a complement, and complement has its modifier, its adjective word, it's temperate. And the strange thing is here, which lives in the Arctic regions, subordinate part. Subordinate part is also analyzed like this way. Lives is a predicate, and the subject of this predicate is what? Noun beer. Beer. The word beer. And in the Arctic regions is a what? Modifier. Modifier of what? Predicate. That's the analyzing of the sentence. That's the analyzing of complex sentence. I hope you learned something useful today.